kids! Frosty here. I want you to meet my awesome friend. He has an adventurous story to share.
Hey friends, I'm Cora the Crow, and I'm so excited to share the adventure with you. Oh no, it is very hot today, and I am really thirsty. Let me check this pot for water. The water is too low. I cannot reach it. What should I do now? I am still so thirsty. I need to do something. Wait, maybe these pebbles can help. Oh yes. Let me try throwing these pebbles into the water. Let's go! It's working, Gag. Finally! Yay! With smart thinking and strong will, you can solve big problems.